don't think she liked it when I took it from her.
Tricks my mama, she almost broke it.
Boxy, boxy. And the theme this month is, I don't even know. Let's find out together. You know?
I think it's, yeah,
wildflower. That's interesting. Alright.
Look inside because there's the things that I don't want to see yet.
Alright. Ooh.
Number 1
Is Hank and Henry lipstick. Open.
Oh. Look. It's kind of like blows your mind because it looks like you just take the top off and then you twist it and it's a this.
Oh man.
Tricks my mama, she almost broke it.
Look at that.
Because
It's like, it's a trickery.
Yeah, it's a chicory. It looks like a stick, but it's actually a liquid. Liquid lipstick.
Anyway, the value is $17.
Ooh. Do you want to swatch?
Yes.
It is in the shade Pedal Pusher.
Pedal pusher, come on. Oh, I thought I was doing it on my lips.
It's a great color for fall. I kind of messed up.
Oh, that's really bright.
I know.
I
It's
like
kind
it
of
though.
nice for,
It looks really good. The next thing we have is Laura Geller, New York. New York.
Baked
Alright.
something.
It is
Baked, blush, and brighten.
a baked blush and brighten. Baked?
That's what I
What's
said.
that mean? Does that mean like she baked it in her oven? Just kidding.
I think something like that maybe. It's in the shade Tropical Hue. And it's really cute. Does it smell?
Not really.
No.
Kind of looks like a planet.
Yeah. It's like marbled. And it's got the dome.
Yeah, and it's got a mirror. Yeah, check it out.
And it's nice and soft.
Okay,
Ooh,
so the
very
value
tiny.
on that is $28. Wow.
Can you see it? Ooh, it's very
That's really
reflective.
pretty. It's like metallic. Green is one of my favorite colors, by the way. We have some brushes.
Now, this is what this looks like. So you can kind of see it. Yeah. Whatever.
And these brushes are by Amar Cosmetics.
Alamar.
Alamar, apparently I cannot read today. And the value of these are $18. They are made with 100% synthetic fibers. So, what kind of brushes are these, Jacinda? Here, I'm going to take them out.
Flat painter brush. Fluffy blender brush. And the flat tight liner brush.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I like the
Ooh, I
flat
like
one. I like the
that.
flat one.
Ooh. Oh, I thought it had like a little fluffy.
Alright, what's next? Let me play with those. Ooh, what's this?
Is that the last
Nightingale.
one? No, wait. Is that till the end?
Eyeshadow. Oh, should I share it yet?
Well, that's the most
Anyway.
fun one. Roll-on precision liner. Stroke of Wow by Butter London. In the shade.
What is it?
It's a roller ball eyeliner.
What?
I mean, roller wheel eyeliner. Look.
Oh!
It's a wheel.
What the? This is something new to me. The value of this is $19.
It's so liquidy.
Here, I gotta try this.
It gives you such thin.
Look at it. You guys see the ball. It's like, here, I don't have my glasses.
It's a little wheel liner. There was like look how thin
Isn't
it
that
is.
crazy?
Like,
I've never. Oh, okay, I gotta
That's
try
thin.
that. I'm excited about that one.
and it's got the little,
To my eye.
like a pizza cutter. That's how like the wheel is like a pizza cutter.
All right, what's next? Let me put my glasses on. I can actually see.
Pretty vulgar.
I think we've gotten some
Nightingale.
pretty
Yeah.
vulgar before, haven't we?
The first box that we got was like back in May,
Yeah.
something like that.
And
And we got the eyeliner
yeah,
that I
so
love.
if you guys want to see that video, we'll link it down below. Come on, open